Now repeat yourself.
Cru. Cru.
Cru is a French wine term that means growth. It appears on wine labels and can denote many things, depending on where the wine was made. In the simplest terms, cru is a status term, indicating that the winery, vineyard or estate has met specific qualifications to use that term. When class follows the term, it means that the vineyard is classified and is part of the classed growth designations. There are two ways to interpret cru. It refers to a vineyard or a group of vineyards with the same soil or characteristics. The second interpretation's that it refers to a wine produced by those vineyards. If cru appears, then the wine in the bottle should display the qualities and characteristics of that cru.
Cru. Cru.